This is a nice 1966 Mustang Fastback. It is in very nice driver quality condition. It has a 289 with a C4 automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes. It has the rare factory trunk release, remote trunk release, right down there by the seat. It has the RallyPac gauges. It has the bullet mirrors, 14-inch chrome Magnum wheels, and it's painted in a very dark blue, similar to Caspian blue, but I do not believe it is the original color. I have left the speakers in the trunk as is. There's no hole cut in the rear access panel like most Mustangs have. The original spare is still in there. The radio does in fact work, not that it matters, but this is a very nice driver quality car. It does have a few minor imperfections and flaws, such as a little split in the dash, a little split in the seat, but this is original 1965 upholstery. This has not been reupholstered. The carpet has been replaced at one time, but is otherwise original inside the car. Engine is pretty much a factory 289, been converted to 4-barrel, has ceramic coated headers as you can see in there, newer radiator shocks, power disc brake conversion. It has had the floors and quarter panels repaired when restored. The car does run very well, starts every time, doesn't even need to have the the gas pedal pushed most of the time because it just starts right up. There you go. Has a very good sound. Has a few light paint imperfections here and there, but the car has been restored for approximately 15 to 18 years, so any flaws are simply commensurate with age and wear and not as a result of the car being a rust bucket or anything like that. Very quiet, very smooth. It has never not started for me even once. Just a very nice car. Smooth idle. Brake lights work, wipers work, signals work, horn works. Everything works. As far as all the gauges, everything works. So, 66 Mustang Fastback.